हेलो बिंदास पीपल। मोबाइल खोने के बाद दूसरे के फ़ोन में ब्लॉग हो रहा है।
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। तो हम है ऑर्खन वैली में,
ऑर्खन वाटरफॉल के पास।
ऑर्खन, yeah, maybe probably 1 kilometer away from that. And we got checked into this beautiful hut, Geer camp or whatever, what do you call it? They're having coffee in a Mongolian way. There's no cup. And someone is in the background, that is Uzbek music. In between, you do your business, and there's no proper door, nothing. And look at the view. This is the view that you get while doing your business.
तो कल रात हम लोग ऑर्खन वैली में आके वाटरफॉल के पास जस्ट 1 किलोमीटर दूर है, ये गियर मिल गया। क्वाइट कोजी, लेकिन रात को बहुत ठंडा लगा क्योंकि जल रहा था तो सही था। सोने के बाद भाई क्या ठंडा लगा पैरों में। समहाउ नींद कंप्लीट किया और अभी ब्रेकफास्ट का वेट कर रहे हैं। कॉफ़ी पी लिया और गाना चल रहा है पीछे, द हू का मंगोलियन सॉन्ग। और वी आर गेटिंग रेडी, ऑल सेट, ट्राइंग टू गेट सेट for the next destination, and we'll be enjoying the travel way. Breakfast for today, some mutton soup,
It's so chilly out here. It feels like some 1 degree or something. My fingers are freezing. And there's some more photo shoot is happening here with Mongolian people. Orkhon Waterfall. The whole setup is spawned by some volcanic activity.
4 engines revving in the morning.
Beautiful.
Dew. We're heading for the valley where the river roars, chasing down the beauty of Mongolia's shores. Orkhon is calling wild and green, the grandest vision that we've ever seen. Right into the open blue, where the falls cascade and the skies are true. 4 bikes rolling through the valley way, living every second of this crazy ride. Through the rolling grasslands across the stream, water splashing high like a waking dream. Ulaan Tsutgalan crashing down the storm, a sacred kingdom where nature stands alone. We pause for the view, then kick down the gear. The wild horizon is drawing near. Now the trail gets rough, basalt and clay, bouncing over dirt tracks, finding our way. No map on the screen, just instinct and grit. Every twist and bump makes us feel alive in it. Dust in our eyes, power in our hands, until the dirt gives way to the open lands. Right into the open blue, where the falls cascade and the skies are true.
Finally, Google Map is showing this route. Hopefully, we will reach the correct destination. It's raining and it's so cold.
Look at that, there's one yacht camp right there. I think those are all nomads. So beautiful. Sometimes I wonder how they are living in this kind of condition. We are all the way from central Mongolia. We are going towards the southern part of Mongolia. Next stop is Arvaikheer. Look at the view. Amazing. We reach some random location. This is Orkhon River. So we have to just follow this river all the way to reach our next destination. That is one small town, Arvaikheer.
Four bikes rolling through the valley wide. Living every second of this crazy ride. There it is ahead, the long black line. The tarmac calling straight and fine. Tires hit the asphalt smooth and fast. From the wild dirt trails to the road at last.
Towards Arvaikheer. Yeah, stop for a short break. We have another 69 kilometer to go. Probably go. It's so cold. So cold. And yeah, today was not so enjoyable. But yeah, the view is spectacular all around. Oh. It's too cold. Look at this.
Cold water crashing on the basalt stone. Four engines roar in the wide unknown. Orkhon is behind us, the river runs deep. We're riding on the trails that the nomads keep. No roads on the compass, no walls in sight. Four shadows chasing the endless light. The engine hums a song of freedom and dust. In the open steppe, it's the wheels we trust. Roll on through the grasslands wide. Four heartbeats match in the wild skies right. dirt, open sky ahead. Following the lines where the ancients tread. Wild horses running right beside the line, leaving all the noise of the world behind. Dust in the wind, sun fading down. Out in the wild before we hit the town. 4 bikes together, side by side, living for the journey, living for the ride. Roll on through the grasslands wide, 4 heartbeats match in the wild skies wide. From the roaring falls to Arvaikheer's door, we ride for the feeling of something more. Just for riders under the Mongolian sky. Arvaikheer calls.
Thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry, you know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old now welcome sign, population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days, with the same old station on the side of that homegrown 2-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. This concrete tree line